The company right now, they are embarking on a mission of mischief. Let me tell you what they're trying to do. Last night, and I don't have the publication yet, but sometime last night, about around between 7 and 8, they dispatched to the media a publication saying that Petrotrin workers, despite the fact that they settled some 75% of the collective agreement of those items, that the union still want to go on strike. And that Petrotrin workers are highly paid. The lowest paid workers, the lowest paid category of worker, and that is identified as what? General laborer or so, is paid some $11,000 plus. It's when they put it in the public domain. Yeah? That's what I'm saying. Yeah. And that the union is demanding a 75% increase. Now every one of you here this morning, all workers, I want to say to you a number of things. First of all, we have to understand in the most thorough manner the battle that we are engaged in. That we don't understand it, we will start off with a setback. Because you see, when the discussion starts to rage in the public domain, it is the responsibility of each and every worker to stand up in defense of yourselves and your collective agreement and improvement on their terms and conditions. Don't take no party line. Or don't on the side say, that's a Roger thing, or a union thing, or I support it. That is a worker thing. It is for me to benefit me and my family and so on, individually, that collectively we will have improved. Because these days, we are not only fighting to improve it, we're fighting to defend what we have currently in our collective agreement. So when they say that they have settled some 75% of the items for negotiations, guess what? That 75% is what the union said, that all the textual items, textual matters, non-money items, that in order to expedite these negotiations, because the period has expired, we are prepared to have all of them, despite the fact that we have proposals. We are prepared at this round of negotiations to leave them as is. In other words, no change to all of those items. It is the initiative of the union that said, put aside that and leave it as it is. Yeah, your company didn't say that. He said that. So let's talk about 75%. And then they come to the question of they have given, offered increases on allowances and bonuses. Lie. Lie. Up to Friday, at the second session of conciliation, the company said that they are not prepared to move on any one of the allowances. And that those allowances are good. They are above market in some cases.